For convenience or just voicing, a lot of times we skip in the fifth and the dominant seventh chord. For instance, if you're playing G7, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and 7, we skip in the fifth. There is certain requirements for the voicing that sometimes we can play the D and sometimes we don't, but if you skip it, it's nothing wrong, and it will be actually easier for everyone. It's easier for you arranging or just playing. But anyways, that's your seventh chord with a skipped fifth. Skip fifth, skip fifth, and so on and so on. Another way to remember your seventh chord visually with skipped fifth will be a very easy thing to do if you remember the families of sevenths. First family are called bead brothers. You know, like in a circus, bead brothers. So why they're brothers? They look alike. For instance, B with skip fifth will look like this. Now, if you just move your hand exactly the same way, you're going to E, and it looks exactly the same way, right? White key, black key, and far away, that's seventh. A, 7, exactly look the same, and D. So, B, 7, E, 7, A, 7, and D, 7. They look like brothers. They look exactly the same by just visual content. Another family is your two brothers, Charlie and Frank. Remember those Charlie Chaplin and Frank Sinatra? They both wore black hats. So here we go, two brothers, Charlie and Frank, with the black hats on the top. That's your black hat on the top, on the head, and F7. Charlie and Frank, with black hats on the top. And the only one is Snow White. Is G7, has only seventh chord on white keys that has no black keys at all. Okay? And if you know those guys and practice them by structure, finding them, then you can easily find the other chords just moving them up and down half step on the black keys. For instance, if you have D7 and you want to find D flat 7, you just have sliding half step down all of them and you have D flat 7. If you're not sure about E flat 7, get E7. And now each step goes down half step and you have E flat 7. So there are several ways how to deal with those dominant seventh.